Hi, it's Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. A lot of you know who I am, some of you don't. There you go. All right, so the complaint of this RV, it's a 40-foot Itasca diesel pusher Horizon. The complaint is that it's leaking down there at the freshwater valve, so or the dump valve. All right, so what we did, hooked up the water hose, made sure that we didn't have no other leaks. Okay, and then we turned the water fill tank on, filled the tank. Last year I replaced the valve in here because it was leaking all out down in here, so it's like 20 years old or something of that nature. All right, so the tank's filled enough. We'll go look, let it build up residual pressure. That is a bladder tank right there. Whatever PSI you want your water at, you fill that Schrader up. That's a very small quantity, not even a quart. I like a gallon plus. All right, put you on pause. We're going underneath. Well, it didn't take long. Okay. That is the freshwater tank there. This is not a bad one. You'd have to take all these bolts out to drop it if it did get bad. So we'll measure this one. That's a 2-inch. Okay, and it looks like this one's a little bit easier. This is the slide cable that goes in. Okay, I don't even know where the other end is, but our concern is in here. Okay, maybe the cable's not adjusted right or something of that nature. We'll figure it out, but we're going to take this panel off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws. Okay, first we don't use the power driver to get them off because they break sometimes. All right, so we use a regular screwdriver. It's, hold on, let me put you on pause. That's my, who's that? Who's under the RV? Get him! That's my dog, one of them. All right, so I'm going to do these screws right here. All right, self-explanatory. I'm going to use a manual screwdriver to break them loose, and then I'm going to use this to power them out. I'll put you on pause now. All right, we're back. All right, so it's a 2-inch valve. It's a Valterra. 1.5-inch cable actuated valve. So I made sure that basically that this had enough slack in it, and it does. Okay, so I loosened this up. This is where it clamps the sheathing, so it dropped down. It's got play. It's the valve. I think I'm pushing on it as hard as I can. There you go. Up. Yeah. All right, so I got to undo it by these. I'll do that. That's going to be a continuation video. Let me get this ordered. All right, so once again, that was that. It's a simple fix, but it's a little bit not bad of an area to be in. There was this styrofoam right here, right, for insulation reasons. Right. Okay, and then this panel was sealed off, right? Okay. That went up there like that. All right, so not bad. I'll put all this in the RV. All right, so short video. Try to keep them under 10 minutes. We found the problem. Now we got to fix it. We'll order the parts. I might put some of that stuff up in there for you. I'm laying down on the job again. What's the motto of RvDiagnostics? Test, not guess. You're right. I made sure that the handle was all the way down and in, because sometimes that messes up. Usually they stretch more than they do anything else, or they come loose. Where this goes, there's a screw, set screw back in there. You can almost see it. I had it around and already. It's like an 1/8-inch set screw right there. And I loosened these up here so the sheathing would drop down. I could pull it. That didn't solve it. So it is the valve. It's the rubber. It's original. What's the motto? Test, not guess. All right. Remember, there's a garage at 22480 Bloxom School Road, Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. I'll put everything down below in the comment section. Remember, if you want to come, it's a school and it's a garage. I can fix it for you and charge you an arm and a leg, or I can teach you to fix it and only charge you an arm. So everybody wins on the situation. All right, so thank you very much, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. I'm out of here.